Details on the Olympic judging assignment can be found in our Canvas course site. I'm going to click on Assignment 6, Olympic Judging. And the purpose of the assignment is to provide practice with sequential if structures. And you just saw that in the previous video, finding the fastest time. This one is very similar to that. We're going to find the high and low scores of 7 judges and then find the average of the remaining 5. So the idea there is to throw out the highest and lowest and just take the average 5, or take the middle 5, find the average of those, and that would be the athlete's score. So I give some examples here. There's also a PDF. Open up the PDF. So here's the PDF file. Pretty much the same thing that's presented in Canvas. I give you some examples. You can use the data here to test your program once you complete it to make sure it's getting the correct results. So let me run my project. So I'm asked to put in the score for China. I'm going to put in 6.9, and I'm working off the results here that were in the PDF. 7.3, 6.7 for Germany, 7.6 for Great Britain, 7.2 for Sweden, 7.3 for the United States, and 7.8 for Zimbabwe. The results then are that the low score was 6.7 from Germany, and the high score was 7.8 from Zimbabwe. We throw that out and throw both of those out and take the remaining 5 and then find the average, and the average is 7.26. And that's exactly the results I was expecting as shown here in my PDF. And of course we can also do some mathematical calculations here in the shell. So I could say sum equals 6.9 plus 7.3 plus 6.7 plus 7.6 plus 7.2 plus 7.3 plus 7.8. And we'll say middle scores equals sum, and we're going to throw out the lowest and the highest, which was 6.7 and 7.8. And I can say the average equals middle scores divided by 5. And we can print the average. And I get 7.26, which is what my program also calculated. So I just verified that the math is happening correctly and feeling good about my application that the algorithm works correctly.